Hello, welcome to DK Boljob. I'm glad you're here. I am working on a deer in spring, and I will continue working on it until I'm good with it. Right now it's okay, but I'm gonna get it a little better, so I'm just taking off some of the background and making it a lot more random than it was before. It was a little too orchestrated before. I don't want that. We're thinking this is a forest in the background. Yeah, I'll just take some of it off. And that will help tremendously. When I'm done with this Q-tip, I'm going to use a 1-inch brush and move it around. Not the Q-tip, the paint. And then, yes, that will help. This 1-inch brush has seen a lot of love. I'm telling you, it is well broken in, and I'm going to use that to blend a little bit. Parts that are still not dry are the phthalo green and a little bit of the sky color here. There we are. I like creating. Well, I love creating because of how it makes me feel. And that is the most important. When it comes to relaxing and enjoying life, when you find something that is helpful to others and also makes you feel great, and it's God honoring, of course, do it. Just do it. Many people claim they can't create. You know, I said that one time. I said that when I first started painting. I said I don't do barns. The funny part was I'd never tried. I just automatically assumed I didn't know how. I don't say I can't do anything anymore, because I have to try first, right? Okay, that's going to be sky poking through. We're going to blend that. Got a nice brush with a little bit of green on it. It's fine. It's not going to be that big of a deal. It'll still look like sky in the background. There we go. I love the way oil blends. Can't say that enough. Maybe there's a little light right there. I don't know. She's definitely got light around her body, and that's fine. We can leave that. I'll blend that. be green. That's fine. It will be green. Background branches. Really, they're just a suggestion. They don't have to be perfect branch with an ant crawling on it. You know, you don't want that. So you want it to be out of focus, and just a suggestion. And then if you saw an ant on it, it would bring up to where the deer is, which is competition with the deer, and I don't want that. The deer is my focal point. There we go. I'm just going to make branches off in this forest. Dark green vines. And I kind of go back and forth, like I have, I do the light from the sky, and then I go back with the dark of the vines. The contrast is what I'm going for. Now, if this is in spring and it's during the day, I'm going to need more sky, which I can bring more sky back in. We've done it before, we can do it again. See if I can get a little bit more vines on the ground. But for now, I think I'm done for today. I think it's good. And I am so glad you joined me. And I look forward to doing the next video, and hopefully you can join me then. Please subscribe to DK Boljat. That is DK Boljat, and God bless you. I'll see you next time.